Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add your Tesla key to Apple Wallet. Okay, first you want to ensure Tesla app is updated latest version. Okay, then just open up the Tesla app, log into your Tesla account, and select your Tesla vehicle from the home screen. And just make sure guys, Bluetooth and internet are enabled on your iPhone for a smooth setup. Now, in the Tesla app, I want you to go ahead and tap on locks or keys, depending on your model. Now, go ahead and tap Add Key, then select Apple Wallet. Okay? And what you need to do next is when a prompt appears on your screen, okay, to add a Tesla key to Apple Wallet, you just want to tap on Add to Wallet. Okay? Now, you may be asked to confirm using a Face ID or Touch ID, and once added, your Tesla key will now appear in the Apple Wallet app. And you just need to now test your key on your iPhone, right? Make sure express mode is enabled. This basically allows your phone to unlock the car without Face ID. So you just walk up to your Tesla and try unlocking the car with your iPhone, and just start the vehicle as usual and ensure that the key is working smoothly. Okay, it's really that easy and simple though, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.